Hi, this is Chris from DanSenApp. Thanks for choosing Della. Launching and logging into Della is super simple. I usually use Spotlight on macOS to open it. Once it's launched, you'll see Della's icon appear in the menu bar. When the background of the icon is gray, that means Della is offline. Just sign in with your email, then enter the one-time password we send to your inbox. Or check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Once the icon background turns black, you're logged in and Della is ready to go. To check out Della's settings, click on Settings in the Della menu. In the Profile tab, you can view permission status, check your usage, or log out. The Settings tab lets you customize how you want to trigger Della. By default, it's set to the FN key, and you'll hear a sound when Della is activated. You can change any of these settings anytime. Using Della is simple and intuitive. Let me show you how. Oh, looks like Mark just told me the meeting's been rescheduled. Let's reply to him using Della. First, focus on the text field in the Mail app. Now hold down the primary key. You'll see a gray ring appear. This means Della is connecting to the AI server. When the Della ring lights up and you hear the sound, whatever you want to type, just say it, like this. Thanks, Mark, for the updates. I'll be ready with the slides and I'll see you at 11. When you're done, just let go of the key. You'll hear the sound again. Your words appear right where you want to type. Just like that. Della is more than just a speech-to-text tool. If you naturally mix languages while speaking, no problem. Della understands you. It transcribes everything seamlessly, no matter what language you use. My wife just asked me about dinner plans. I'll tell her we can try the Italian restaurant we just saw on Instagram. 我们可以去刚刚 Instagram 上看到的那家意大利餐厅，超有 feel。Della works seamlessly across all your favorite apps on macOS. We just showed how it works in Mail and Messages. Now, let's jump into the slides Mark asked for. This is the title of the slide. Every transcription is stored in your history for easy access. In the History panel, you can find all your previous transcripts, with the most recent ones shown at the top. Double-click any entry to instantly copy the transcript to your clipboard and ready to paste into any app.